The Ghana Irrigation Development Authority, abbreviated as GIDA, developed the Ashaiman irrigation lands in 1962 by acquiring 383 hectares of land from its original owners. 155 hectares of the original land size was developed into irrigable lands for farming. 61 years on, in 2023, 60 hectares of land has been lost to soil salinity and erosion, whilst encroachers have illegally taken over 20 hectares of these irrigable lands, leaving 71 hectares of irrigable lands, with parts of these lands still under contention with encroachers.